Hi friends, this is Mamta Rupesh, your Vedic Maths coach from thevedicmaths.com. This is our weekly podcast, Learn, Teach and Grow with Mamta Rupesh. I focus on developmental tips and encourage people to continue learning. Also, help students, parents and teachers form a strong bond and help you make an extra income by learning and teaching Vedic Maths. So today's topic is Vedic Maths for beginners. Vedic math is a powerful technique that can help you to solve mathematical problems in a much shorter time when compared to our conventional method. Vedic mathematics for beginners will show you the basics of this technique, which includes memorizing simple formulae and knowing how to go about solving various types of problems with ease, such as calculating times tables up to 99, magic with 11, squaring with 5 in seconds, square roots in one line, and much more. So, Vedic mathematics is not just for calculating magic numbers, but for any numbers. To know the meaning and benefits, do refer to our previous blog on our website or podcast on advantages of Vedic mathematics. So, here comes the importance of Vedic maths. So, Vedic maths is not just a set of math trick to help you solve problems in your head. It is a way of thinking and seeing that can be applied to many fields, including science, technology, and everyday life. The Vedic math system was created in ancient India with the intention of making mathematics easier for children to learn. It also helps students to understand concepts more deeply and quickly. And it is a holistic approach, which means it can be used on all levels from simple arithmetic, division, and fractions to algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. So, now let's see the difference between Vedic maths and conventional maths. So, Vedic maths and conventional maths are two different approaches to answering real world questions. Conventional maths or mathematics based on the Western world is the math that is taught in schools. Vedic maths or the mathematics based on Indian philosophy is the math that is taught in the Vedic math schools. So, in Vedic maths, you learn maths in a way that makes sense to you as a person, treating you like a human being and not as a mathematical formula. So it is also higher math, where mathematics is a subject in itself, not just a tool for calculating. We will discuss in detail the difference between Vedic maths and conventional maths in a future blog or podcast. So now let's see who can learn Vedic maths for beginners. So it is applicable for students from grade 3 to 12, students writing competitive exams, parents and teachers. I am sure that when students learn Vedic maths, their math anxiety will disappear. Kids will enjoy mathematics and solve sums in the conventional method using Vedic tricks. And this is going to be helpful as they go to higher classes. So, yeah, Vedic mathematics is applicable for students who are writing competitive exams as it has been shown to help them finish the papers on time. Aside from this, it can be beneficial in a number of ways, such as speeding up the calculation process, making the paper easy to read and understand, and increasing an individual's confidence and self esteem. So, Vedic maths tricks can be incredibly useful for competitive exams, such as the various state level entrance exams, railway exams, and banks, and even for examinations like the civil service exams. It helps in the fast calculations as there will be aptitude questions. So, students can solve the answers mentally in seconds instead of spending hours working on them. It also reduces the burden of long mental calculation. The mathematical concept is made easier. It reduces scratch work and delivers answers instantly. And parents and teachers, you are the pillars and support for our children. So encourage them. I'm sure the kids will perform very well in their academics. Try to teach them the tricks and make maths easy and interesting. You will not only learn and teach, but you will also grow by earning an extra income by tutoring Vedic maths. So, in general, mathematics is an integral part of our day to day lives. So, without mathematics, it would be extremely difficult to survive. Especially, Vedic mathematics is very simple and quick in itself. For example, the formulas and tricks help us to calculate fast in a grocery shop or to calculate and cross check a bill. So, now let's see what can you learn as a beginner and what I teach with beginner's guide. So as a beginner, you need to first learn the basics and the foundation must be strong. With that in mind, make sure that you are consistent with your progress in order to see the best results. We have a number of courses on our website. You can take a look at our roadmap, and the first course is the Beginner's Guide to Vedic Maths. So, under the Beginner's Guide course, we have 18 chapters, which includes the Vedic Sutras plus a few bonus chapters. Here is where you will learn Vedic Maths from scratch. So, Vedic Sutras will have English translation and mathematical meaning along with examples and exercise sums. And even a person from non-maths background can easily learn Vedic maths and become a master in mathematics. So, what next after learning the beginner's guide? Yes, so once you complete the beginner's guide to Vedic maths, you can get started with the next course, that is multiplication mastery. Here you have 11 chapters and it's explained in detail. Then comes division mastery and followed by fractions, HCF, LCM, squares, cubes, its roots. Then comes Vedic maths tricks and competitive exams, that is papers. And under beginner's guide, you have sutras which explains the basics. Whereas in individual courses, you have problems explained in detail. So students can implement these tricks with your school curriculum helping in solving competitive exams, and parents and teachers, you can start tutoring Vedic maths and make an extra income. So you have a step-by-step guide to learn Vedic maths in detail. So friends, hurry up, get started with the beginner's guide and become a master in mathematics. So I hope you enjoyed this blog or podcast. If you've been listening to it, yes, I would love to hear your thoughts, feedbacks, and future ideas in the comments below. So, do share this topic to a person who can be benefited. Please make sure to follow us on social media platforms. You can also subscribe to our podcast and YouTube channel, and the links are in the description. So, thanks and catch you up on the next topic. Have a great day and God bless you.